I don't think it happens a lot that a customer and a supplier deciding to do something together.
You came with a great technology.
Sure.
We came with a huge demand and expertise in electronics.
The J.A.M.E.S concept is to create a community of people who design this product, who designs this component, who learn how to apply this vision.
Could you now imagine with J.A.M.E.S, if we bring all of those people together on the platform, what will happen to the technology readiness level and how quick we come to the market?
Well,
thank you so much.
It's a beginning.
It's a beginning. We are very much looking forward, and we are very thankful for the last months, and we are super excited about the next months to come jointly.
Wait, let's make it happen.
Let's make it happen.